Good morning, students. Last class we discussed some problems using formulas. Today we'll discuss some problems to evaluate. Okay. See in this 2 inverse 2 inverse into 6 inverse divided by 4 inverse. One problem this, one more problem. 3 inverse into 4 inverse into 2 square. We'll discuss these two problems first. Okay, see, first problem this is equal. Already we know the formula. A inverse is equal 1 by A. A inverse is equal to 1 by A. A inverse is equal to 1 by A. So like that here 2 inverse means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 6 inverse means 1 by 6. Same that formula only. Same this formula only. A inverse is equal to 1 by A. Okay, like that divided by 4 inverse 1 by 4 is equal, according to BODMAS, what should do? According to BODMAS, division should do. So, at the time of division, what we will do here? 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. Instead of division, we are writing into multiplication. And 1 by 4 reciprocal taking means 4 by 1. 4 by 1 means 4. Okay. Now possible cancellation should do, otherwise multiply. Possible cancellation? Yes, possible. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Okay. 2 1s are 2 1s are is equal. In numerator see 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. By in denominator see 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 1 by 3 is the answer. 1 by 3 is the answer for 2 inverse into 6 inverse divided by 4 inverse. This is the answer. Next, same formula we will do that problem here. 3 inverse into 4 inverse into 2 square. 2 square. 3 inverse means like this formula only. A inverse is equal to 1 by A. Same like that only is equal 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 2 square means 2 2s are 4. Possible cancellation? Yes, possible. 4 1s are 4 1s are is equal. So answer is 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. 1 by 3 1s are 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. 1 by 3 is the answer. We used here formula A inverse is equal to 1 by A. Otherwise, A power minus n is equal 1 by A power n. 1 by A power n. Using that formula. Okay. Next. Formulas are very important. Formulas practicing. These are all problems are very easy. Okay, next 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power minus 2 into 1 by 3, 1 by 3 power minus 2 into 1 by 4 divided by here, divided by 1 by 4 power minus 2, 1 by 4 power minus 2. Okay, see here, we know the formula. Now only we told you a by b, a by b inverse, otherwise a by b power minus m is equal b by a power m, b by a power m. We are using this formula. Already these are all formulas we discussed before only. A by b power minus m is equal to b by a. It's a reciprocal taking. It's a reciprocal taking, and here minus. Why? Because it is going downside will be. Now see, is equal 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 1. 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 1. 2 by 1 nothing but 2 only. Whole square into 1 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 1. 3 by 1 power 2 divided by 1 by 4 reciprocal 4 by 1. 4 by 1 whole square. Okay, so is equal 2 by 1 whole square means 2 2s are 4 by 1 1 jar 1 into 3 3s are 3 by 1 into 3 by 1 whole square means 3 3s are 9 by 1 1 jar 1. Instead of division, otherwise you should keep like that only, divided by 4 4s are 16 by 1 is equal 4 by 1 into 9 by 1. Instead of division, what should do? Multiplication should take, and it's reciprocal 1 by 16. 1 by 16. Now possible cancellation should do 4 1 jar 4 4 jar 4 1 jar 4 4 jar is equal, see 1 9 jar 9 9 1 jar 9 9 by 1 1 jar 1 1 4 jar 4 9 by 4 is the answer. 9 by 4 is the answer. These are all simplification we know. Last year also we done so many problems. Simplification we know. Just remember that formula coming means automatically these are all coming. Why? Because a by b power minus m is equal to b by a. B by a means it's reciprocal. Automatically these are all simplification and cancellation. These are all from 7th class to 7th class also came, 6th class also came, fractions. So these are all are very easy. Next, you are doing some evaluation problems. Three inverse plus 3 inverse plus 4 inverse plus 5 inverse power 0. Power 0. This is one problem. One more problem. Minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, next we will do that problem. Now see here, is equal A inverse is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 whole power 0. See, no need to do LCM method. Any method no need. Why? Because for this bracket, anything will be power 0. It is equal to 1. No need to do these are all LCM or no need to do anything. Anything power 0 will be, it is equal 1. Already we told this, anything power 0 is equal to 1. Otherwise a by b power 0, it is equal to 1. Okay, power 0 will be, it is equal to 1. Okay, next, any value power 0, it is equal to 1. Now minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 2 whole square is equal. We know this formula. See, a power m whole power n is equal a power m into n. Using this formula, we will do. Means what should do? The powers should be multiplied. So minus 2 by 3 power minus 2 into 2 is equal minus 2 by 3 power 2 to the minus 4. Why? Minus into plus minus. And we know this formula, a by b power minus m is equal b by a power m. Using this formula we will do. Okay, so is equal to here minus 3 by 2 power 4. Why? Minus 2 by 3 reciprocal. Minus 3 by 2. Here minus need or no need? No need. Why? The power should be even number. The power is a odd number, means minus coming. The power should be even number. So no need minus. So it is equal to 3 by 2 power 4. 3 by 2 power 4 means 3 by 2. How many times want to multiply? 4 times want to multiply. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. How many times? 4 times want to multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. 81 by 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Possible cancellation should do, otherwise it is the answer. Okay. See what we done here. Minus 2 by 3 power minus 2 whole power 2 came. Minus 2 by 3 power minus 2 whole power 2. Then we used that formula, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So multiplied both. Then power should be minus. Power minus came means we done this formula. here 4 came, 4 came. So power should be even, here minus, no need, writing also, not writing also, no need. Why? Already first class only we discussed like these problems. The power should be even number, minus how many times, multiplying also will get positive number. The power should be odd number, we will get negative value. We will get negative value. Next, 8 inverse into 5 inverse by 8 inverse into 5 inverse by 2 power minus 4. 2 power minus 4. One more problem here. 5 inverse into 2 inverse. 5 inverse into 2 inverse into 6 inverse. Okay, these two problems we will see. Is equal 8 inverse means we are using this formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by A. A inverse is equal to 1 by A. We are using that formula. Okay, A inverse is equal to 1 by A. So 8 inverse means 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 1 by 5 by 2 power minus 4 means this formula A power minus m, A power minus n is equal to 1 by A power n. 1 by A power n. This formula. So 1 by 2 power 4. 1 by 2 power 4. So is equal, here possible cancellation? No, not possible. So 1 1 jar 1 by 8 5 jar 40. 8 5 jar 40 by 1 by 2 power 4 means 2 4 times multiply. 2 2 jar 4. 4 2 jar 8. 8 2 jar 16. 8 2 jar 16. So is equal 1 by 40 into, for by there, so it's a reciprocal coming, 16 by 1. Here possible see cancellation, 4 4 jar 4 10 jar, 4 4 jar 4 10 jar. Again possible see, 2 2 jar 2 5 jar. So is equal, in numerator answer is 2, in denominator answer is 5. Okay, in numerator answer is 2, 1 2 jar 2, in denominator 5 1 jar 5. Okay, same for by is there, so it's reciprocal coming, means 1 by 40 divided by 1 by 16. What we are doing, instead of division into writing, and it's a reciprocal taking, same like that only we done here. And one more problem we'll discuss today, same this formula only, A inverse is equal to 1 by A. A inverse is equal to 1 by A, that formula only. 5 inverse into 2 inverse into 6 inverse. Already we discussed it like these problems. So is equal, 5 inverse means 1 by 5 into 2 inverse means 1 by 2 into 6 inverse means 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Possible cancellation for 2 6? No, not possible. Why? 2 also denominator only, 6 also denominator only. So denominator not possible cancellation. Cancellation means only for any numerator, any denominator. So no need to do cancellation. Just multiply all the numerators, all the denominators. 1 1 jar 1, 1 1 jar 1. So numerator is 1. Denominator 5 2 jar 10. 10 6 jar 60. 10 6 jar 60. Okay, these are multiplication model. One problem we will see, same this one only. Maybe here plus is there means, maybe here plus is there means what we will do? Same problem. Multiplication means okay, no problem. Multiply doing. Maybe here plus is there means what we will do? Just check. Is equal 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. According to BODMAS, what should do? Multiplication should do. Multiplication. After that, addition. So, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 1 1 jar 1. 2 6 jar 12. Okay. After that, LCM method or cross multiplication should do. LCM method or cross multiplication. 12 1 jar 12 plus 5 1 jar 5 by 12 5 jar 60 is equal 12 plus 5 17. 17 by 60. 17 by 60. So like that will be. Maybe here plus means LCM method we are doing. Plus is there means or minus also. Here minus also will follow LCM method. Like that problem so before also so made in. Here we discussed this problem in that for us came formulas. A inverse is equal to 1 by A. This formula came. And next A power minus n is equal to 1 by A power n. This formula came. A by B power minus m is equal to B by A power m. B by A power m. This formula also came. Okay, A inverse is equal to 1 by A power minus n is equal to 1 by A power n. A by B power minus m is equal to B by A power m. These are all formulas came. Okay, next we will discuss still more problems to simplify problems. Okay, thank you.